Here we go. All right, we are off to the races. Market is opening up pretty flat. All right, we're going to let it shake out a little bit. See if we can catch some momentum. And we shall go from there. Looking at the news items, we're good. We don't have any news item that's significant based on the calendar. So we're good, right? We always make sure we're looking at this forexfactory.com. We don't want to jump in a trade and get caught off guard. So we're solid. Let's have a clean week. And let's do it. Ticks are opening up 733, which is kind of a shocker, right? Market's down a little bit. I would thought the ticks would be down, but who knows, right? We just trade what is. We just trade what is. Waiting for our opening setup. All right, everything's good. Bam, bam, bam. If y'all have any questions, as always, we got our WebEx. Just type the questions into WebEx. And we're good. Got about a minute and a half before our first opportunity. Let it shake out a little bit. I will tell you this. I am going to start off by looking to go long to the upside on the 608s. Okay. 608s. Right off the bat. Another minute. If you have any questions, obviously type them in. All right. See if we can figure out what this market's going to do today. What's going on, Jeff?
Hey, good morning. Running a little late here. Got some internet issues happening.
You made it in time, though, my brother. You made it in time. You're good, my man. All right, let's start marking some stuff up. 91.75. 91.75. Purple with the 1. I'm going to be looking to go long with a signal. Market's flat. Everything's pretty much opening flat. There's nothing jumping out at me. So we'll see if we can get some opportunities, right? It is what it is. Our job is always just very simple. We're looking for momentum. We get in a trade. If there's no momentum, we get out, period. $97.50 market looking to go long. First opportunity looking to take an advanced setup number 1 to the upside. All right, so that's where I'm at. But I'll be looking to go long to the upside. So we'll see if we can get it. Looking for that pop, right? Get some momentum. Be patient. Be patient. We're price action traders, right? Price action trading. The stuff that I'm going to be talking about, you know, after the first quarter of next year, it's not price action. Completely different. Different set of charts. But it's, again, it's not the S&P. I'm only price action trading the S&P. This is pure NASDAQ. As long as you're part of the school, you're going to be, you know, you're going to be with me on that as well. So it is what it is. And that's got some fuck. All right. See if we can get some momentum, right? We're selling off a little bit. Here's a key level. I'm not going to take this break to the downside. No. Here we go. All right. Good, 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 good. kind of just being patient, right? No idea, but one thing we're going to do is we're going to stick to the plan. So that's it. That's all you can do, my friends. All you can do. Ticks are sitting at 500. Park is at 5. No big deal. Just kind of watching here, you know, nice little run up, selling off, no problem. You will have opportunities, just be patient. Dow Jones is up, Russell 2000's up. So the Nasdaq's down a little, S&P is down a little, Dow Jones and Nasdaq are up. So kind of a mixed bag of tricks. So this candle, so we had a boom, open up move, sold off. Let's see what we do here. Right now, I'm only interested in a break up through that. Yeah, we had a little baby fake out, but I don't think that moved enough. No. I'm not going to really classify that as all. So I'm still looking to take a pop up through this key level. Erase it. Erase the key level. Right? Software draws it for you. And I don't like to have it extended. I like it like this. It extends it as it goes, but it takes 3 minutes after we draw it. So that's our level. And it prints it. 91.75, 70.50. Make sure you import the codes to set up your charts. Exactly like this. Exactly. And again, no news announcements, so we're okay. Just patience. It's all about patience. Not much going on. Usually this first 15 minutes is just called they're clearing out their positions from the pre-market. So pretty choppy, pretty volatile. Just kind of sitting there, relaxing. And again, if you have any questions, type them in. If you want to chat about it, just fine. We're sitting around 40-something trades on our new strategy. So once we hit 50, I'm going to really take a deep dive into it. Just got to keep testing it out, right? Right now, I'm focusing on two strategies, the aggressive and the advanced. That's it. That's plenty. Not much. This candle closes here in a couple 5 seconds. Just not much happening yet. It's fine. All right. Got to just sandwich between 98, 91-ish area. Just kind of went up, went down. Oh, cool. Last week we spent a lot of time in this range. We love these ranges, right? This range of chop fest. got to happen pretty soon. I'm going to go ahead and switch gears and look to go short, but it's got to happen fast. So I'm going to get set up just in case. The 07s. We'll see if we get it. Might be looking for a pop to the downside, but again, it's got to happen soon. Setup number 1, advance. What's up, Malik? What's up?
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. We're looking to potentially take a pop to the downside and get our signal, but I'm going to go ahead and type in our WebEx. Okay. Pay attention to that. You don't want to fight who's in control, right? This could be a fake out or a trap to the downside. I'm not going short. I'm not going short on this break the second. Based on what I'm seeing, it's not the smarter move yet. Market's down 7. Just kind of popping around. What's up, Marky Mark?
Morning, people.
What's up? What's going on, my man?
Jeff?
Doing good, brother. How about yourself?
Ready for a big week, Jeff?
Yes, sir, my man. Yes, sir. I'm going to say it again. You guys are going to love what I show you about the NASDAQ next year. You will freak out what I'm going to show y'all as soon as I get it all figured out and I'm able to talk. But you guys will be the first ones to know.
You're going to be looking at trade NASDAQ, Jeff?
I'm already trading the NASDAQ in the afternoon, but I'm learning from I'm learning a new system, but I can't talk about it because I had to sign a non-disclosure.
No worries. Okay.
But I will give you guys a little bit of insight. It's about prop firm trading, so we're not going to be trading our own money. We're going to be trading prop firms.
Excellent.
Yeah. Oh, y'all have no idea. No idea how good it is. But it's going to be next year. I'm shooting for hopefully February or March. I mean, I'm learning the system pretty quick. And y'all are going to freak out. It's new to me, though, because on the prop trading, I've never done that. So that is brand new to me. But I love the idea of trading somebody else's money.
Jeff, if you go about it the right way, there's nothing better. It's the best. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And
No.
And the moves you get in the NASDAQ, man, I'm telling you.
You're going to freak out. So
your 10-point moves in the ES are sometimes 100-point moves.
Yeah, no, I know. I've been trading the last couple of weeks. Again, I'm learning this system. I have my system. So again, I'm talking right now because now, guys, number one, we got to wait till our 15 minutes. We'll wait a couple minutes, but I'm talking because in the morning, I'm going to be day trading the S&P 500, price action trading, what we do now. We do options, but I'm learning my another system for NASDAQ, but it has to do with prop firms, which means we're going to be, well, I am. You guys will have the opportunity to join as well, but we're going to be trading somebody else's money. Why would I want to trade my money when I can trade somebody else's money? I just don't know anything about it. I'm learning. I don't pretend, I got my system. I don't pretend.
Jeff, if you want to call me later in the day, I can go over some things with you about that. Let me know.
Okay, I can't talk too much about it, so I want to get in trouble.
I know that, but I'm talking about just prop firm in general,
Yeah. I mean, I know enough now.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to let y'all know, as long as y'all are with me and in this group and part of this team, there's a lot of big plans, just so y'all know. All right, and the other one, I mean, you can make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 a day. Just so y'all know. All right, so let me go ahead but I'm gonna shut up for now. 97.75. Let's mark it. $13.41 down here. Let's go ahead and mark that. Let's mark this. Let's mark that. All right. Here we go. All right. Let's get ready for our next shot. Again, we're just sitting inside this opening range. Market's pretty quiet. Pretty quiet right now. See if we can get a pop, right? The market moves. We're going to see it. Just type it into WebEx, right? Charles has already typed this morning sideways overnight. So fade his pivots. If you're trading his pivot system, fade his pivots. Not much going on in a second. It's kind of just doing not much. So right now I'm looking for that setup number 1, right? Advanced setup 1. We got our 2 key levels. We got 4 key levels right now. As you can see, these 2 key levels are really close to each other, so not a lot there. Everything's on the table, right? I'm going to call out every single thing that I do to the best that I can. Okay? What strategy, what setup, when I get in, when I get out, everything. Will not leave y'all cold if you're following with me. All right, let's go ahead and erase these lines. Okay, software draws it. 97.75. 90.70. See how it is? Right there, it's purple. So I'm going to be looking to go long here in a second. Get ready. Again, that's just where I'm aiming. I'm trying to get ahead of the game. So it could change at any moment. But I'm going to go ahead and set up on a 608 just to be safe. Again, I'm probably closer to the aggressive setup number 1 right this second. But again, I'm going to try to call it out fast. That's why if you got any questions about what the heck we're talking about, you got to type it in. But I know y'all know. Y'all been here long enough. It's time to really start crushing it. 2025, y'all have no idea how, I mean, it's going to be powerful, powerful, powerful. I think it's going to be the best year ever. Now, this year's been pretty solid, but next year is going to be even better, I believe. Still trapped inside this range, real tight. Not much happening yet. And again, we don't have any news. Who knows, right? Good thing is I don't ever go into the market thinking, oh, today it's not going to do nothing. Oh, today it's going to do something. We trade what is, right? Whatever happens, we do it. This is old news. Bitch, that ain't old news. It just happened last night. What the hell are you talking about? It's old news, you fucking moron. These dumb people. Some people on YouTube are so stupid. I mean, so stupid. I have to admit, some people are complete morons. Literally, Brad Garlinghouse got interviewed last night on 60 Minutes last night. And I did a video on it. And some dude actually in the comments put, "This is old news." I'm like, it literally happened last night. If that's old news, then you're a fucking moron. I hope you're watching right now. All right. Just kind of still waiting. I'm going to go long if we can get it. Let me see something real quick, though. It's got to happen soon, y'all. Soon. The longer it takes, the less our chances are of winning. We don't control what happens. We just react to what happens. And right now, nothing. Nothing is happening. Even Charles hasn't posted anything. Again, we're living in that range with the ticks. Just trapped. Nothing. But we can pick up at any moment. Just be ready. But I'll tell you what. The aggressive is about to be off the table until 9 o'clock Central Time. If you're going to trade, it would be the advanced only, and you don't have much time to do it. I love it when people say, that's old news. What a moron. Y'all should watch that video. It's good. I think so. I got up at 3:45 in the morning and was working on it. 3:45. It's crazy, dude. All right, it's about to be. So here's the deal, my friends. I'm going to go ahead and delete those lines. Okay. Look at this price action based on the information. Our aggressive trade right this second is off the table. Okay. The only opportunity we have is the advanced, but it better happen soon. If not, no big deal. We are in no hurry. No hurry. We're still living inside this range, right? This range is just Chop City, okay? So what I'll do, again, just kind of draw that. It's Chop City. Chop City. You can see, if you look at the pieces, well, you look at it, inside, inside, inside. Hence, market flat. About as simple as that, right? Make sure you understand the ticks and the VIX. Watch the videos inside the members area if you don't understand how we're using it. Everybody might use it different, but on how we use it. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. We're sandwiched between 91 and 97-ish. Okay. here's the deal. So now we're going to wait for the next opportunity. Done nothing but going sideways. But at 9 o'clock, that's more of our New York session, right? AM timing window. So this is more of that clearing range. People are just clearing out their positions. But now we're going to reset here in a second and get ready, right? There's usually opportunities every day. I mean, if the market does something, doesn't mean we're not going to get faked out or trapped, but, market's really good at that, right? I just realized down here, right, you got a trap, kind of a baby fake out. That's pretty much all. So it hasn't really done too much. Look at the clues. Look at the clues. What a clown. What a fucking clown. All right. Nothing. I'm not even showing a direction right now. It's kind of like literally not even sure yet. Hopefully things will give us a better idea here pretty soon. Oh, MO, you piece of shit, MO. You piece of shit. What did you do? What the fuck did you do, MO? Oh my God. MO, you are dead to me. I'm going to close MO. It's just dead to me. I don't want to take it any deeper. Piece of shit. No, it's way past my thing. I'm not going to run that bitch. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to 55.95. 55.95. 55 at or below 55.95. All right, 55.95. Okay. We'll see what happens. It's about to be 55.95. Actually, yeah. Actually, 55.66. Sorry. Let me just do that. 55.66. $55.66. Fucking MO, you piece of shit. What happened to you? You were looking so good. Here we go. All right. Well, either way, that one failed on us. What happened to you? You little piece of shit. Oh, well. Here's what it is. You know what's up? Good old Walgreens is up. What's going on, Walgreens? Fucking Jeff must have bought some shit from Walgreens this weekend. All right, let's wait now. You buy some stuff, Jeff?
Yeah, I went down and bought a case of Preparation H, man.
Yeah, I knew.
Must have did it right there.
I knew that's why it was up. Oh God, yeah, well, that's hilarious. Look at Walgreens. Walgreens has been the death of us. I ain't never selling that bitch though. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Let's get some action. Come on. All right. Market's just flat. As soon as we get an opportunity, we do it. Tarek. All right. Breaking down. All right. So we're breaking through that 0. I'm not going to pull this trigger yet. But I am watching. All right. I'm not going to call it yet. I'm not going to call it yet. These people need to fucking shut up. I am going to go ahead and look on the long side. Okay, I will be looking on the long side. Let me just set up. Could happen quick, so might as well get ready on 8s. 08s. 08s. Just in case. Probably be looking at the aggressive number 1 to start it. And then adding on multiple things. So let's watch. We held that 0. God, these people need to shut up, dude. Stop messaging. Marker's flat. I'll let you know when I'm doing something. Don't worry. I'm just watching. Takes her again. They're still undecided. Let me just tell this guy something. I'll be looking to go long. I'm watching. I'm just right. We have a Telegram group, and I'm fine. What was that? Oh, MO, you piece of shit. So we got stopped out of MO. Well, that sucks. You dirty scumbag. Oh, well. It is what it is, right? You win some, you lose some. MO was looking good. Something must have happened. Must be some of the news, man. Fucking MO. Scumbag. Because that shit dropped like a damn rocket. Like, what the fuck? It's like the biggest down candle I've seen on MO, like, in like a fucking year. Yeah, we gone on that sumbitch. That's taking a beat, and there must have been some type of news that came out on that shit because it tanked bad.
Walgreens on everybody, man.
What's up?
I said that thing was going Walgreens on you there.
Yeah, that son of a bitch, dude. It was actually doing pretty good until today. I don't know what the fuck happened. That's fine. Small, you know, get the fuck out when you can before it gets worse.
Like I said, I had just dumb luck on that.
Yeah, I don't even know how you got that 50%. I never even got above like 8.
Yeah, I was in a different expiration, earlier expiration. So somehow it went.
Hey, whatever worked, right? Whatever worked, my man. All right, I'm still looking to go long, guys. Again, I don't care about losing. As long as I lose within what I'm supposed to, and based on that, it looks like I did. So that's totally fine with me. And again, it was low probability anyway. We'll go over it today because it's big ass red candle. Big ass red candle. All right, just be patient. We're going to be looking to go long. That's where I'm leaning towards. Come on, baby. Come on. Nothing. Again, just follow your plan. It doesn't matter. Whatever you trade, your job is very simple. Follow your plan. If you get in a trade and there's momentum, great. If not, you get the hell out. Period. You don't know what's going to happen. Every trade you get into, you have no idea what's going to happen. All you can do is execute to perfection every time. Period. Trading is not about winning and losing. It's about when you win, how big you win, how big your winners, and when you lose, how small are your losses. That's it. Sometimes the gaps, both ways, right? Sometimes the gaps in your favor. Sometimes the gaps against you. I mean, I really wish we knew which way it was going to be. Then we would only take the winners and we would never have a loss. But we don't. If you figure that shit out, you got to let me know because that's pretty impressive. All right, we're still trapped. I'm just talking because we're not doing nothing. I've taken 0 trades. I mean, come on. Look at this. This has literally went up, went down, and went completely sideways for over 30 minutes. How can you make money when it absolutely doesn't do anything? You can't. Unless you're trying to scalp like a 1 tick or something, but that's not what I'm looking to do here. No, sir. If this market decides to move, we're going to be on board. Period. Damn. What's up with that? It doesn't even look like it's moving. Walgreens, you better save us, Walgreens. Exactly, Charles. Nobody wants to take control. Exactly. Not yet. Not yet. At any moment, that could change. Okay, Charles has said it, right? He's looking, what did he say? As long as the ES is making higher highs and higher lows, no, exactly. Once we pop and break, we go with it. Right? Y'all know that. Right now, nobody is in control. Period. Market's down 7. Dow Jones is still up. Russell 2000's up. So it's nothing. So let me see here. Okay, so I'm going to be looking to go short. 607s advanced. 607 advanced only right this second. Here, let me see if we can get a pop down through here. So the advanced strategy, setup number 1. Let's see if we can get some momentum. Watch for the trap. Watch for the fake out. I don't care. I'll still take a shot if I get my signal. a second here. Let's watch this candle. This buyers have stepped in right here. Look at all your information. Look at your ticks. Read your VIX. Watch what's going on. Buyers are coming in right here. Okay, no harm. We didn't go short. We were looking, but information is changing fast. Still in this range. This is a danger zone. I will be looking to go. So look at the information. Right now, that's off the table. Off the table. Back off. Back off. Wait for another opportunity. Back off. If you have any questions on why I'm doing it, just type it in. Okay, I ain't got time to be explaining all this stuff right now. But we're backing off. I'm going to look for setup number 2 to the downside, okay? So I want to go short right this second, but I've got to see some information come into play. We got to hold these key levels, right? I'm going to be looking for setup number 2 to the downside. Setup 2 to the downside. On the advanced strategy. The 07s. Watch out for the fake out. Watch out for the trap. Not fake out. Watch out for the trap. Got to go back up. Taking no trades. It's pretty tough right now. Whoa, look at it go back up. Wow. Wow. That trapped a lot of people to the downside. It's not over yet, but just right this second. We'll see. It can sell right back off. It's pretty volatile right now. Go hurry. Wow, that's crazy. Wow. Oh, it's selling off. Hang on. How are we going to close here? Watch this candle. I still might be looking to do number 2. It really depends on how we close here, guys. Got 2 seconds. All right. Information. Mark this key area right here. Blue. Okay. That is a trap. All right. So again, I'm not going to say much yet. I'm still watching, but so far, I will be willing to take setup number 2 to the downside on the advanced. On the aggressive, I'm still willing to take setup number 1. Okay? That's the best that I can call out. Watch out, shark in the water. This is terrible. Went down, trapped them. People went long, and it's coming back. So they went short, lost. Went long, lost. Like they're getting destroyed. And now they're FOMOing back in short. Destroyed. You don't know what you're doing. This will light you up like a Christmas tree. Kind of like MO, right? MO's a joke. But it is what it is. Market's down 9. Dow Jones is still positive and Russell's still positive. Set up. All right, so get ready for the aggressive number 1. Aggressive number 1 to the downside. All right, I'm gonna go for it. Aggressive number 1 to the downside. Test the waters out. Okay, I'll jump out if necessary. Okay, again, I'll jump out quick. Test the waters. If not, we jump out. No problem. Okay, that's one of the keys. You got to be able to recognize it fast. I'm going to add to this trade here in a second. I'm going to add to it. But I will jump out quick. I have no problem. So I am short in multiple positions. But I will jump again. I will jump right back out. Look at this fucker go back up. Just be mindful. Be careful. Pretty volatile right now. This is where you gotta just do what you gotta do. Right? Information changes, we jump out. This is wild. Look at these big candles. This is chopping people to shreds. Just be careful. Really volatile. I might adjust my targets here in a second. I'm going to adjust my target. I'm going to adjust my target. We'll see, though. I'm in this trade short, and I'm watching it. Look at all the information. Okay, I'm actually going to go back up. So we'll see. So again, I'm in this trade short. Pretty volatile fucking move. All right. Read the information. Big ass wick on that one. All right, get a minute. Picking up a little bit. Kind of got to get out of that range. Love to see this momentum pick up a little bit to the downside. Don't look at the P&L. Okay, we got that divergence. I might move my target back down here to 10. Just because I'm not liking the action. But I'm not going nowhere. Again, if it doesn't follow through, we get out. I'm lowering my target to just 10. Okay, just keep watching. Right now, it's just not moving. Charles says no bias is signaled. Yeah, just got to be patient, unfortunately. That's all this is about. And sellers, again, right now it's kind of not doing nothing. Just kind of chopping around. We stay in the trade until we get a signal to dump it. Or we hit our target, right? All right. Picking up a little bit. All right, texture picking up, starting to sink a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and adjust on my target. So I'm going to be looking to scale out of that first one here at 10 if it works. And the other one, I'm going to go for the full position size right this second. So I've got a target at 76 for the first one. Let me just make sure. It might be 74. 74. 74 on the first one. Okay, that's where I'm at so far. 74 on the first one at 10. And the other one's 84. It's like a little bear flag happening, right? Market's down 12. 342 picking up. And it's doing nothing. Doing nothing. Got a target at 10. Everything looks okay. Bam! Target 1 hit. Target 1 hit. It's plus 10. Sticking with the other one. What I might do is I'm going to Set a target at 76 to get out at another 10. Bam! Another one. Plus 20. And I'm actually going to set another one. I don't like the action here. Go up to get out all three of them. Bam! I'm taking the 30. It's taking too long. I'm going to get out at plus 30. But if you, again, you want to stay in it, go for it, right? But I got plus 30. And you know what? I'm comfortable with that. She's going to go a lot more, though. But damn. Should jump back in that shit. Anyway, I'm good with that. Plus 30. Shit. Wow. I would have got way more. I should have shot up quick. What the fuck? Ah, I could have got like 50. Hey, but look at this. I'm okay. Don't be greedy. Yeah, it would have hit. Shit. It would have hit like 50. All right, now let's look to add. Well, not add. I'm not in the trade now, but that's crazy. That's beautiful, guys. I mean, it would have hit shit. I'm looking at it now going, what the fuck? Plus 30 should have been plus 60. Holy shit. That would have hit. Damn, that would have hit a lot more than that. Fuck. Because my target was what? 87? We clipped that. We're past that now. So that would have landed me 50. But that's okay. Let's take the plus 30, right? We can always get in a trade again. All right. Charles is short 88. Again. All right. I'll add to this trade on an advance, but fucking going down, huh? The good news is Walgreens is going up. Neo's going up. So even though this is happening, like, it is, hang on one second here. Even though this is happening, everything's looking great. It's crazy. Other than MO, which was a fucking disaster. Yeah, the money shot. It just failed. All right. Just typing in why. I'm waiting to add. Well, not add. I keep saying add, but I don't mean add. Another opportunity to the downside. All right, let's see where we are at. Actually, looking at my my P&L, I got 59. I don't know how the fuck I got 59. Maybe I was doing active trader and I messed up to get more, but I should have got 30. I don't even know how I got 59. Maybe I accidentally didn't close one on the active trader and thought I did. Shit, that could have been bad. So I'm just gonna.
Hey, Jeff, awesome job again, buddy.
Hey, my man.
Awesome.
I appreciate it, brother. that was a little dicey here in the beginning.
Don't get spoiled.
Yeah, exactly. That was a little dicey there in the beginning. It kind of came down, got in it, was going up. I glanced at my P&L. I know I shouldn't have, and I was like, fuck. But I don't make decisions on P&L. Stayed with it, was able to fight through these two kind of semi-rallies. Bam, nailed it. So, I mean, I got 59, but I should have got 30. So I'm just going to stick with it and what I should have got, 30. All right, so now what's up? We're going to trade. Right now, the aggressive is over. Already done, money shot, targeted out. So what I'll be looking for right now is if we can close above this high, I'm going to be looking for that setup number 3 to the downside, okay? I'll jump in it. I shouldn't. I'm fucking plus 30, but I'm actually plus 59. But I shouldn't be. I don't think there was a news, right? Let me just double check again. Nah, there wasn't. I don't know why. So we're kind of selling down. So right now, if we don't close above that, I'm going to stick with the number 4. In-trend momentum entry. Look at that sell off. Dow Jones went negative also. A little bit. Not much, but a little bit. And again, you're focusing on number 4, in-trend momentum, right? Those don't happen very often, but when they do, they're money. That sucks. Damn, look at that wick, bro. Little pin bar, right? Sold up. We call that a false bounce. So what happened was it traded above this high. Traders decided to go long, and then it sold off and did what's called a false bounce. Turned into a bearish pin bar. Some might also look at as an inverted hammer. So there's multiple things. But the inverted hammer is not confirmed unless you close above that high. Right now, I just see a false bounce, which fake people out. It was a big, and that was a big move up. All right, let's see here. Let's just keep grinding down. You want to stay to the short side. Damn. Walgreens, what's up? What's going on, Walgreens? How you doing that? How you doing that, Walgreens? You fighting that little market there finally, you little bastard. Again, we're going to the downside. Number 4, I'm aggressive. I already got my money. If I can get a clean number 4, I'll take a shot. If not, though, hey, I actually got 59 somehow. Should have got 30. Market's down 17. You know, again, we'll see if we can, we're still in this range though, you know, there never really was a lot of momentum to the downside. We never broke that 600. We still are looking. Number 4, we didn't have number 4. It was close. Okay, y'all remember what that is. That's sandwich, right? We talk about that a lot. It's been a while. But in the members area, I do have a video on the number 4 setup. It's very powerful. It doesn't happen very often. But when it does, Mark will tell you too, that shit's powerful. It just doesn't happen much. Hey, we got our money though. Every time right now, it just goes up a little bit, sells off. Again, but this move looks to me like it's just on weak hands. It's not going to sustain itself without these ticks. These ticks are just, they're not doing much, which is, it might grind lower, but I don't know, man. It could reverse hard and go back up too. And I'll still go short. That's the only direction I want to go right now, short. Look for that number 4 in-trend momentum. It could be a pause. Another moves down. Okay, so watch for it to go short. Number 4. Can't. Keep watching. Again, it's very tricky. It's bleeding. I mean, it's fucking bleeding. It is bleeding. Market's down 20. Charles says target is 74. Look at pop to a new high also. Pull back. Boom, little pin it. Kind of, sort of, right? Bam. Charles's target is 74. Could revert. I would not be surprised though if this reverses and goes back up. Be careful. But I mean, if you look at the direction of the ticks the whole day, look at that. Just kind of bouncing up, bouncing down. Like, look, now they're picking up a little bit to the downside. This could keep going. I mean, I'm glad we got our money already. Starting to pick up a little bit. All right, so here's the deal. We're going to stay in here. We're looking for number 4 to the downside. Okay, until it changes. When it changes, we'll call it out. We're going to go into the Q&A. If you got questions, let's go. You can even come off the mic here in a second. For those of you on YouTube and the members only, welcome aboard. If you want to join us in the school to where you actually get a trade with us, we teach you information in the description. All right, see y'all later. Y'all in the room, stay. We're going to do a Q&A and we're going to finish talking about this.